Hi! Today, pag-uusapan natin kung bakit hanggang ngayon, Toyota Innova XE pa rin ang top choice at the best MPV ng mga Pinoy. Reliable, matipid sa diesel, at swak sa pamilya o negosyo. The Innova XE has proven its worth through the years. Check natin ang exterior. Simple, pero classy. Aerodynamically designed ang body niya. Kaya less ang drag o air resistance during high speed. Ibig sabihin, less ang fuel consumption, higher top speed, and better handling. Sa front, meron itong trapezoidal na radiator grille with black plus silver paint that gives Innova a bold and SUV-like appearance. Headlamp is a multi-reflector halogen with chrome accent sa gilid nito, adding to its sleek and elegant look. Ang turn signal lamp niya is not integrated sa headlamp, kaya mas clear and visible during night driving. Meron din itong abang for fog lamps, kaya ready na for your future accessory installation. Sa side, timeless ang design ng Innova. Hindi OA, pero alam mong pangmatagalan. Body-colored ang side mirror niya na may integrated na turn signal lamp. And body-colored din ang kanyang door handle. Kaya kahit mid-variant itong XE, ay premium pa rin ang dating. Meron din ito quarter window. Maliit lang na window, pero napaka-importante for driver's visibility. Kaya nababawasan ang blind spot. Ang gulong naman nito ay 205 by 65 na 16-inch steel rim with full cap, kaya practical at durable. Ang brake sa front ay ventilated disc. Sa rear naman ay leading trailing drum brakes. In terms of suspension, independent double wishbone with coil spring sa front, while 4-link with coil spring naman sa rear. Kaya komportable ang Innova sa malalayo at malulubak na biyahe. Sa likod, simple pero elegant pa rin ang design ng Innova. Meron itong shark fin antenna para sa mas stable na signal reception. May rear spoiler din na hindi lang para sa aesthetic, kundi nakakapadagdag din sa aerodynamic function ng sasakyan. May high mount stop lamp para sa mas visible na braking, lalo na para sa mga nakasunod na malalaking sasakyan tulad ng trucks and buses. For added visibility sa rear, ay meron itong rear wiper with washer and rear window defogger. For safety during reverse driving or parking, meron din itong reverse camera na installed. Ang rear combination light ay bulb type at sa baba nito ay merong chrome emblem ng Innova. Sa likod, bubungad agad sa'yo ang spacious na luggage space ng Innova. With third row in use, meron itong 300-liter na luggage space. Kung kailangan mo ng more luggage space, ay pwede mong i-fold ang third row seat at magkakaroon ka ng 1,100 liters na luggage space. Surprisingly, pwede mo pang madagdagan ang luggage space mo by total of 1,800 liters by folding the second row seat. Kaya no worries ka kung may mga pangarga ka with Innova. Tara, pasukin natin ang loob ng Innova. Pagpasok mo sa loob, ay mararamdaman mo agad ang Toyota comfort. Spacious, tahimik, at design for both family and business. All windows are powered with automatic up and down for driver's window. At meron din itong power adjust for side mirror. The seat material of this Innova is fabric with diamond pattern upholstery. And meron din itong 6-way manual adjust for driver, including height adjust. The steering material is urethane with silver accent at may mga functional buttons din for easier control. The instrument cluster is analog with DOT type multi-information display. Yung dashboard, very clean and practical yung layout. Sa gitna, mayroong touchscreen na infotainment system with silver metallic frame. Ang ganda ng contrast, simple lang pero classy. Sa baba naman, nandito ang manual aircon control. Classic Toyota style. Madali lang gamitin kahit nagdadrive ka. Turn, click, and go. Walang hassle. Since automatic transmission din ito, ay madali lang i-drive. Kaya laban kahit malayo ang biyahe. Sa second row seat, same fabric ang ginamit. With 60-40 split, recline adjustment, slide adjustment, at one-touch tumble. For added comfort, may aircon vent din ito with separate manual control. Sa third row seat naman, I can still accommodate up to 3 passenger. Kaya 8-seater in total itong Innova XE. Kahit last row seat, ay maluwag pa rin ang headroom at legroom ng Innova. Siyempre, safety is always top priority. And this Innova XE is equipped with safety features such as 3 airbags, anti-lock brake system with brake assist and electronic brake distribution, vehicle stability control, hill start assist control, seat belts, 2 ISOFIX ready na child restraint system, and reverse camera. Kaya siguradong safe ang buong pamilya sa bawat trip. Under the hood, the Innova XE is powered by 2.8-liter turbo diesel engine na may 6-speed automatic transmission. Same engine na ginagamit sa mga high-end na Fortuner at Hilux. Ang lakas, smooth, at matipid. Perfect combo for performance and practicality. Whether pang long drive o araw-araw na biyahe, ramdam mo yung hatak. Yung torque ng turbo diesel engine, sapat para sa heavy load o uphill roads, kaya hindi ka bitin sa power. Alam mo sa price range ng Innova XE, sulit na sulit ka na. Diesel engine, automatic transmission, at Toyota build quality. Lahat ng hanap mo para sa isang MPV, nasa kanya na. Hindi lang ito basta sasakyan, investment ito para sa pamilya, negosyo, o future mo. Yung tipo ng forma na kahit ilang taon, hindi naluluma. Kaya solid investment talaga. Kaya kung ang hanap mo ay matipid, matatag, at maaasahang MPV, Toyota Innova XE Automatic pa rin ang best choice. Message mo na ako at pag-usapan natin kung paano mo maiuwi ang Toyota Innova XE mo. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Toyota review videos. And kita-kits sa next vlog.